Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use conditional formatting in Google Sheets. This powerful feature helps you automatically apply formatting to cells based on specific criteria, making your data much easier to understand at a glance. You can highlight important values, identify trends, and quickly spot outliers without manual effort. It's a fantastic way to bring your spreadsheets to life and improve data visualization. To begin, select the cells you wish to format. Then, navigate to the Format menu and select Conditional Formatting. A sidebar will appear where you can define your rules. Choose a condition, like text contains or greater than, and specify the value. Finally, pick a formatting style, such as a light green fill or bold text, to make your data stand out. For more advanced scenarios, you can use custom formulas. This allows you to create highly specific conditions, like formatting an entire row if a value in one column meets a certain criterion. Remember to use absolute references, like $1, when you want a cell reference to remain fixed, and relative references, like A1, when you want it to adjust for each cell. As you add more rules, the Conditional Format Rules sidebar becomes your control center. Here, you'll see a list of all your active rules. You can easily drag and drop them to change their priority. Rules higher on the list take precedence if conditions overlap. This sidebar also allows you to quickly edit or delete any rule, keeping your sheet organized and effective.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.